Hey YouTube, it's been quite some time, but we are back with another video. It's been a long hiatus. As you hear in the background, well, I think y'all saw in the stroller video if you watched that. If not, stop this video, go back, watch that one. We told y'all we was pregnant and we was expecting our first child here, and our baby boy is here. So as you heard in the background, the cries, that's him back there. And don't mind the balloons and the setup back here. That was because your boy's birthday was just a few days ago. October 10th was my birthday, so we did a whole little setup here. Had a nice little day for my birthday, but anyway, as y'all see by the title of this video, we're doing like a pumpkin carve. It's gonna be a short video, something kind of light. But anyway, it's gonna be a pumpkin carving video. We're doing like a photo shoot, pictures for our son, and a pumpkin. I think my wife did, so she know more about this than I do, so I'm gonna let y'all talk to her.
What am I supposed to say?
What are we doing with this video again? What is this?
We're pumpkin carving for our baby to take pictures in. Right now, he's about to eat, so he's very hungry.
He's starving.
And here. You gotta put his vitamin in here too.
Oh yeah, okay, it is time for his vitamin. But anyway, y'all, we getting ready to feed him, and we'll be back soon for this pumpkin carving. Got the pumpkin here, we had it all outlined, started cutting. As you can see, I got a nice little shape going here. I know you can do it either a round way or like the triangle way. So we're gonna do that and we're gonna see how this turn out. Bam. Y'all see that? Perfect cutout, perfect creation. You got something to say over there? Anyway, I don't know what she giggling about, but this shape right here, perfect. Got to cut out so we can put the hat back on it. Next, got to cut out a section for the legs because we got to put his feet through. Now his legs kind of small because he's still very young, so we're gonna see how this turn out. I'm gonna try to cut a section for his feet, and I'll be back with that progress once I got it. Had to lay a towel down too because this is a very messy process. And just like that, we got the legs. We got a section for his little legs cut out, as you can see right here. I tried to gut the pumpkin as much as I could. I don't know how much you really gotta clean it out. You saw this on TikTok, right? Yeah. I'm pretty you've seen this probably before on Instagram or something. But yeah, we saw this on TikTok, so I think the pumpkin clean enough. I think she said we're just gonna stuff something down in there. That way he's not sitting directly in, because he's not supposed to sit directly in the pumpkin, right? He can. Okay, we'll see how we're gonna do. We're gonna see how these pictures turn out though, man. We excited. Probably gonna take them outside. So yeah. Stay tuned for the progress. Since he following me.
Can we get a smile?
Hey, buddy.
Can we get a smile?
Hey, fella. Yeah, buddy. You gonna smile for us, man? You gonna look at this camera? Look over here. Right. Look over here, buddy. Hey. Hey, buddy. Hey, man. Hey. Huh?
You sleepy? Huh? Yes.
Hey, look at you. Yeah, buddy. Hey. Look at you, man. Yeah. You're the cutest little pumpkin in the patch, man. You're the cutest little pumpkin in the patch.
Hey, man. Hey, can I get a smile? Can I get a smile?
Hey, buddy.
Can I get a smile?